Meaning of Director of Public Prosecutions.
Director of Public Prosecutions.
Director of Public Prosecutions.
Director of Public Prosecutions.
Director of Public Prosecutions. The Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, is a legal position within the government responsible for prosecuting criminal cases on behalf of the state. The role of the DPP is to ensure that the criminal justice system operates fairly and effectively, and that those who commit crimes are brought to justice. The DPP oversees a team of prosecutors and works closely with law enforcement agencies to investigate and prosecute criminal cases. In some countries, the DPP may also have the power to make decisions about whether or not to prosecute certain cases.